Are you looking for the top 5 best electric garage heaters 240 volt? Before buying an electric garage heater, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it. Many heaters promise warmth, but struggle to deliver in real-life scenarios. Let's dive into the top options and uncover the hidden truths.
Product number 1, Comfort Zone Ceiling Heater. The Comfort Zone hardwired ceiling mount garage space heater immediately caught my eye with its sleek design and remote control feature. Priced at $154.97, this heater is aimed at those looking to maximize their garage's space while keeping it warm. If you want a heater that takes up no floor space and can heat areas up to 1,250 square feet, this is worth a serious look. This heater is fascinating because it's specifically designed for ceiling mounting and has a fan-forced heating system. This means it not only warms up the space quickly, but does so without cluttering your garage floor. The digital thermostat lets you set your desired temperature with precision. One thing that impressed me was the overheat protection feature. It ensures that you can run this heater without worrying about it getting too hot, giving you peace of mind. Now, some users complained about the installation process being a bit tricky, especially if you're not handy with electrical work. Here's the thing though, if you can get it properly installed by a professional, you'll find it really worth it for the heat it provides. It might not be for the DIYers out there, but for those who can manage the installation, it's fantastic. This is perfect for you if you need ample heating in a garage without sacrificing floor space.
Product number 2, Stiebel Eltron Wall-Mounted Heater. Next up is the Stiebel Eltron K-Trend Wall-Mounted Electric Fan Heater, priced at $112.50. This German-made heater stands out because of its quiet operation and compact size. If you want a heater that fits snugly into a corner without being obtrusive, this one's definitely worth considering. What I love about this heater is its ceramic heating element. It produces a solid 6,824 BTU per hour, which is impressive for its size. Plus, it operates at a noise level of just 49 decibels A, making it one of the quietest options out there. This is great if you're using it in spaces where you don't want a lot of background noise, like a workshop or a playroom. The hardwiring requirement might seem daunting, but it ensures a more consistent power supply and less risk of tripping breakers. Some people did mention that it might not heat larger spaces effectively. If you have a big garage, you might find it locking in power. But if you only need it for smaller areas, it's a great buy. You'll appreciate its efficiency and compact design. This product number 3, EnoCraft Electric Garage Heater. Now, let's talk about the EnoCraft 7500 watt electric garage heater, which comes in at $229.99. This one is packed with features and offers a powerful heating solution designed specifically for larger spaces. If you want something that can heat your workspace quickly and efficiently, this might be the one for you. What's really impressive is its ability to heat an area up to 750 square feet, thanks to its powerful 7500 watt capacity. The digital thermostat allows you to set the temperature anywhere from 40 degrees Fahrenheit to 99 degrees Fahrenheit, which means you can find the perfect setting for your comfort. The Eco mode is a nice touch, adjusting power based on the ambient temperature and saving you some money on energy bills. Plus, with a noise level of 65 decibels, it won't disturb your work environment too much. However, installation might require a professional electrician, and some users found the complexity a bit frustrating. But if you can handle that, you're rewarded with an efficient and powerful heater that really does the job well. This is perfect for you if you have a large garage or workshop that needs quick heating. Skip this one if you're looking for something easy to install without professional help.
Product number 4, Mr. Heater Ceiling Mount Utility Heater. Next up is the Mr. Heater 7500/6250 watt 240 volt ceiling mount garage utility heater, priced at $220.98. This one caught my attention with its adjustable heating options. If you want something that can adapt to your specific heating needs, keep listening. One of the cool features is that it offers high and low heat settings, so you can choose between 7,500 watts and 6,250 watts depending on how much heat you need at the moment. The adjustable louvers allow you to direct heat exactly where it's needed most, which is super helpful in a garage where you might have different zones of warmth.
Plus, it has a fast heating capability, so it warms up spaces quickly, which is a must when it's cold outside. Some users pointed out that it requires a professional installation, which can be a hassle, but honestly, once it's set up, you'll enjoy its reliable performance and customized heating. This is perfect for you if you like having options in your heating settings. Skip this one if you're after a simple plug-and-play solution, but if you want versatility, this heater
Product number 5, Dr. Infrared Heater. Last but not least is the DR Infrared Heater Upgraded DR975, priced at $240. This one promises a lot with its hardwired design and remote control feature. If you want control over your heating from anywhere in the garage, this could be a great option for you. This heater offers a powerful heating output of 7,500 watts and has a remote-controlled thermostat with a temperature range from 50 degrees Fahrenheit to 85 degrees Fahrenheit. The adjustable tilt head and 5 louvers let you customize airflow, which is essential for keeping your garage warm in the winter. It's UL-CUL listed, meaning it meets safety standards, which is a big plus for peace of mind. On the downside, it requires specific copper wires for installation, which might not be something everyone has on hand. But if you get this part sorted, you're looking at a solid heater that keeps you comfortable all winter long. This is perfect for you if you want complete.
To wrap it up, we've covered some solid options for electric garage heaters. The Comfort Zone offers a great ceiling mount solution, while the Stiebel Eltron is perfect for quiet spaces. InnoCraft shines with its power, Mr. Heater gives you versatility, and Dr. Infrared adds convenience with remote control. Depending on your needs, any of these could keep your garage warm and comfortable this winter.